Let's be real, we all want our money to grow, right? Not just sit there, not just pay bills. We want it to do more, to work for us, to create opportunities and open doors. We want it to multiply, to see it grow exponentially, turning small amounts into larger sums over time. And that's where investing comes in. It's a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals, whether it's buying a home, funding education, or securing a comfortable retirement. It's like planting a seed and watching it blossom into a beautiful tree. Just as a tree needs water, sunlight, and care, your investments need attention and strategy. Imagine this. You put your money to work, and it earns even more money for you. It's a cycle of growth that can lead to financial independence. That's the beauty of investing. It's about making smart choices today to reap the benefits tomorrow. It's time to stop dreaming about financial freedom and start making it happen. Set clear goals. Make informed decisions, and take action. You deserve to live a life of abundance, a life where you can enjoy the fruits of your labor and share it with your loved ones. Investing is your ticket to that life. Mutual funds, in particular, offer a diversified and managed approach to growing your wealth. So, are you ready to make your money work as hard as you do? It's about taking that first step and committing to your financial journey. Let's dive into the exciting world of mutual funds and unlock your path to financial success. Together, we can turn your financial dreams into reality. Mutual funds. Sound complicated? They're not. Let's break it down. Think of them like baskets of stocks or bonds. Imagine having a variety of investments all in one place. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, risky, you spread them out. This way, you reduce risk and increase potential returns. Here's how it works. You buy shares of a mutual fund. It's simple and convenient. That fund pools money from other investors like you. This collective investment approach allows for greater buying power. A professional manager then invests that money in a diversified portfolio. They use their expertise to make informed decisions. You get to benefit from their expertise without having to do all the heavy lifting yourself. It's a stress-free way to invest. It's like having a personal money manager, but way more affordable. Pretty cool, huh? You get professional management at a fraction of the cost. Now you're investing like a pro. With mutual funds, you can achieve your financial goals with confidence and ease. Why choose mutual funds? Oh, let me count the ways. First, diversification. Remember those baskets? They protect you from putting all your eggs in one risky basket. Second, professional management. You've got experts on your side making smart investment decisions. Third, affordability. You don't need a ton of money to get started. Finally, flexibility. You can invest in different types of funds to match your financial goals. Mutual funds make investing accessible and rewarding. It's time to sit back, relax, and watch your money grow. Your roadmap to mutual fund investments. Ready to jump in? Here's your step-by-step guide to navigating the world of mutual funds. First, define your financial goals. This is the foundation of your investment journey. What are you saving for? Is it a short-term goal or a long-term dream? Retirement, a down payment on a new home, or perhaps your child's education? Second, determine your risk tolerance. Understanding your comfort level with risk is crucial. How much risk are you comfortable taking? Are you conservative, moderate, or aggressive? Third, choose the right type of mutual fund. There are various options to suit different needs. There's a fund for every goal and risk appetite. From equity funds to debt funds, the choices are vast. Fourth, select a brokerage account or financial advisor. This step is essential for executing your investment plan. Do your research and find one that's right for you. Look for low fees, good customer service, and a solid reputation. Finally, start investing. It's as easy as that. With these steps, you're well on your way. You're on your way to financial freedom. Stay committed and watch your investments grow. Real people, real returns, real inspiration. Don't just take my word for it. Meet Sarah, a single mom who invested consistently in mutual funds. She's now retiring comfortably, traveling the world, and living her best life. Or John, a young professional who started small and watched his investments grow exponentially. He's well on his way to achieving his dream of early retirement. These stories could be yours. Mutual funds have the power to transform lives. Let them transform yours. The time to invest is now. Don't wait another minute to start growing your wealth. Take that first step today. And hey, if you found this helpful, share the love. Like, subscribe, and spread the word about the power of mutual funds. Let's make financial freedom a reality for everyone.